this the weather right here that we ducking out on. As you can see, snow and things of that nature. Our favorite thing we like to do is when the weather gets cold, we like to escape the cold. Stay tuned. So we way past going out on dates in our hometown. I'll be on some, let's jump on a flight, go to a different city, and let's do something that we can't do back home. That's the type of vibes I'm on.
It's snowing back at home. My husband said, get dressed, pack your bags. I'm taking you on a date somewhere warm.
So now, here we are in beautiful Orlando. We about to go do an exclusive date. You probably don't know nothing about it, so we're gonna put you on. I'm taking her on an exclusive date. Stay tuned. We're gonna put y'all on to something, a real nice experience, so stay tuned. Let's go get this rental car. Let's see what we got. We had to hit up that good old Pollo Tropical.
Hi, how y'all doing?
It's be banging. He said, come to Pollo Tropical because it's banging.
So we up in Pollo Tropical, y'all. Baby right here.
About to get my grub on.
We got our food.
About to head to our date. Stay tuned. See babe back there looking all good. She done switched up. We about to be out here.
So look at this little fancy checkout setup. You set your items in here, you press start, and it's gonna scan it for you. Boom. How simple and easy is that?
Wow. And press next.
This is a table right here. Eating at it. That's hot.
And a martini drink. That was super great. Yeah. Reported live from the boathouse. And we are getting cocktails. Javier is our waiter.
Taking great care of you guys today.
Yes. So I think I'm gonna go with the shipwreck, y'all.
You gonna go with the shipwreck?
Yep. So the food has arrived. They got filet mignon sliders, steak sliders, and I got a lobster roll. This beautiful boathouse place, Orlando, Florida.
Babe, enjoying her date so far?
Yes, I was like, how did I get so lucky? Like, this is an awesome date. I'm loving it.
We haven't even gotten to the best part yet.
There's
Just wait.
more?
Stay tuned. So we gotta finish these drinks. We are full. We gonna end up bringing this food home. We done got full quick. And then it's time for the next adventure. It's about to be fun.
So this dinner date is over. What will be next?
All right, y'all, it's about that time. It's time to go on this super date. Next up. The best way to describe our life.
It's fire.
So are you ready? Our car pulling up right now. You ready?
Yes.
Are you nervous?
Not really. I'm super excited.
So we got bacon in here. We out here. You never know what we're gonna pull up in.
And the other, and number 4, other than having fun, is just in case we did need it. Life preservers under the cover back here, and if it did start raining, got umbrellas.
Okay, nice. We are ready to roll. Out here.
Here we go.
Oh! Y'all know about that. How fast it goes right here.
It looks more pleasant than that.
Yeah, it does. Mike can't walk on water, but we can drive on water. That's how we looking out here. Yeah. Time to bring it on in.
Bring it on here. Bring it on in.
Now we can check that off the bucket list and say we, drove on water. So that was a real good experience.
Yes, it was.
The food was good.
Amazing.
The ride was well worth it. That ride was different. Like, come on now.
My eyes, guys.
Who riding on water? And the famous words of Cash, you never know what we gonna pull up in. Yo, it's a whole vibe though.
It's a ride.
You know what I mean? It's experiences like this that you never gonna forget. The last thing you wanna do is die and look back at your life and be stuck with full of regrets. Regrets about things you should have did. I should have did this. I should have did that.
Right.
Just
You
do it,
wanna
baby.
Live in the moment.
Live, baby. Live, baby. had a successful date, first day. Now we about to rest up and get ready for tomorrow. We about to do some more epic stuff. So get ready. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure that you subscribe, hit the like button,
And
leave us a
comment.
comment, all of that good stuff. So I do credit repair. Don't see me out on vacation and see me on jets and see me on yachts and think I'm not handling your case. Don't worry, your case is being handled. I got my workers on it and they are getting the job done. They checking in to make sure everything is good and everything is being handled accordingly. You are in good hands. If you need your credit repaired, visit spotlesscreditsolutions.com. We can help you repair your credit. We are on the job. Just know.